Very slow price action today, and I got just chewed up by the slowness this morning. We have FOMC this afternoon, so kind of anticipating slow moves and range bound trades, and it just was like very slow grind. These trades were like 40 minutes long or something crazy for me, with like 10 points of movement, you know, just nothing going on really. We're gonna go ahead and dive into the recap right now of those trades. You can watch these trades live every morning at market open 8:20 a.m. Central Time on my actual channel, Trades by Matt. So make sure you go subscribe over there, and I'll see you in the live streams. Thanks for watching the recap. I have my finger on the trigger up there. It's just a little questionable with this. Keep being patient. We got point of control down here now. Kind of interesting. I'm gonna take a little stab here. I would like the VWAP play like this. I would also like this play into the 24s, 25s. Trying to make its rotation lower. And I'm out. Down 200 bucks there, 10 points. Yeah, or 11 points, I guess, technically. The reason I didn't kill it at 605 is I wanted to see if we were going to front run this by like a tick. Sometimes you see these lows get held by like a tick where we don't sweep the stops like we just did. I got swept. That's fine. Sometimes though, you see it only run by like a tick and then you rebound super hard. We've been seeing that a decent amount the last couple of days, so I wanted to see there if it was going to happen again, but I got stopped out on the little sweep, 10-point sweep. On to the next. Top of the hour in 30 seconds here, 9 o'clock Central. So far in the session, we pumped and we dumped. Now we're sitting on volume. So the question is, do we flush 600, actually flush 600 for the rotation through the overnight lows into the yesterday's settlement into hedge pressure? So if we don't sweep the lows, are we going to get back above 620 and rotate into value area high again? 640. Those are kind of the two options at play. Delta looks all right. Getting through VWAP. Got to get through 620. Doesn't look terrible. I like to retest the volume there for the push up. And I can't even... This is the full first 37 minutes of the day. Is this much screen space on the range chart? That is just so boring. Slow movement. Maybe not boring. Boring might not be the right word. Not a lot of price action. These candles print on 5.5 points or of up and down movement is a new candle, right? 5.5 points of top to bottom. So that is just not a lot of movement on a 30-minute session at all. FOMC is never crazy unless Powell's like, I don't know, goes off his rocker in the actual like press conference. Maybe he will today, but I don't know. I just don't have a feeling that it's going to be nuts. Maybe it will be. Who knows? New candles open. Definitely not aggressive on the buy side, but it doesn't need to be in order to float higher. 80 block, 24.5. There's an example of leaning. You got to tick away. Didn't flush it. Here's almost the break even for the guy in the chat. 31. I was literally about to make a joke about the fact that 31 is probably the best short. The guy openly said that he needed 32 for break even. We all know how that works. 31 is probably the best short of the day. Just speaking from my own experience. Tilt at 76% long on the NQ, to whoever was asking. Super cactus. How many steps does the combine have? 1. Exclamation point top step. You can read all about it there. I'm just letting this go into value area high. FYI. I will be adding one there too. Getting a value area high, play the rotation. Average price will end up being here. 27 or so. And then go from there. We might end up just slow grinding this into eternity. It's very possible. It's just Delta is not suggesting that right now. You're in a long, correct? No, I'm short. It says -2. Basically tilt across the board is flat for the most part. 65% on the ES is long, 58% on the NASDAQ is long, 61 on crude. Buyer's still looking decent. It's going to be an L trade. Maybe. All right. This is just going to slow grind into eternity. I'm done. I'm out. I am done for the day. F this. Or done till FOMC. It's a better way to put that. It's just, I can't hang. Terrible price action to be down 800 bucks on, just to be honest. So slightly tilted, triggered, whatever you want to call it. I'm annoyed. And I'm going to end it here. So good luck. Smart, be patient. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.